Hey guys, it's Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, in today's video we're going to be doing the 5 product makeup challenge. So I was on TikTok like always, and I came across this video. I can't remember who the first person was who said like you can do a full face of makeup with 5 products, and then some girl was like, yes you can, and let me show you. And I was like, you can? So I'm gonna show you too. So the products that I have are an eyeshadow palette. This is the eyeshadow palette that I'm using, the NYX Modern Dreamer palette. And then I also have a pressed powder, that's 2. I have a foundation, that's 3. I have a light concealer. I like a bright under eye, so that's why I chose a light concealer. Also, like, I feel like it brings good contrast between your foundation and concealer if it's lighter, so I have a light concealer. And then the last thing I have is a powder bronzer. So if you guys want to see me do my makeup with only 5 makeup products, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera. Yes, I did use one of the 5 products. I just used an eyeshadow from the eyeshadow palette. So I used this eyeshadow to do my eyebrows. I usually do use eyeshadow to do my eyebrows because I haven't found a good eyebrow product. So if you guys know an inexpensive eyebrow product, please comment down below, because I am looking for a nice one that's like inexpensive but also does your eyebrows really good. I'm not really the best at doing my eyebrows. As you can see, they look kind of crazy but I'm trying to find something that works well. But anyways, let's just get started. So first I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer, and this is the concealer that we're going to be using the whole time, obviously. And we're just going to prime our eyes with that. And this, we're just going to take a brush and blend that out. And now for the eyeshadow palette, we're going to take the 3rd shade in the first row, and we're just going to put that into the crease and also blend it up towards the eyebrow. We're going to take the 4th shade and we're going to take that on the outer corner and blend that into the crease as well. Now on a M441 brush, we're going to take the 2nd to last shade in the first row, which is like a pinky coral shade, and we're just going to put that on the outer corner and also blend it into the crease. Now we're going to take the last shade in the first row and put that on the outer corner and blend it halfway into the crease. Okay, and now on a flat brush, we're going to take the 5th shade in the first row, which is like a pretty shimmer shade, and we're just going to put that on the lid. Now with the darkest shade in the palette, which is like a brown, like a dark brown shade, we're going to create a wing liner with that. And really quickly, we're going to take that concealer and we're just going to clean up under that eyeliner just to make sure it's nice and sharp. Okay, and now for foundation, we're going to be using the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. Now we're going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer, which is the same concealer that we use to prime our eyes, obviously, because this is one of the 5 makeup products that we're allowed to use. I'm just going to conceal everywhere with that. I'm gonna take that pressed powder on a big Morphe brush, and we're just gonna set everywhere we put that concealer. And then on this huge Juvia's Place brush, we're just gonna set the rest of our face with this powder very lightly. And now we're gonna take our powder bronzer, which is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh pressed powder in the shade Dark Ebony. And now for our under eye, we're going to take the second to last shade in the first row and just pop that under the eye. And then we're going to take the shade that we used for the eyeliner. I'm going to put that on the outer corner under the eye and just connect it to the top wing. So now I'm going to go off camera and put on a lash. I don't really technically count lashes as a makeup product, so that doesn't really count into our 5, because you could leave it like this, but lashes don't really count. So I'm going to go off camera and put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Oh, actually, really quickly, I'm going to line my lips with eyeshadow, which I do this often too, not even just when I'm trying to be like, oh, like say you're traveling. This could also be like if you can't afford like other makeup products and you only have 5 makeup products, or it could be like if you're traveling or whatever, these are the 5 things you want to bring and you can still create like a nice makeup look. So sometimes I just line my lips with eyeshadows anyways if I'm not traveling or something, or if I don't have the color that I want. Okay guys, so this is the finished 5 makeup product look. Wait, what is it? Okay guys, so this is the finished look for the 5 product makeup challenge. I think it looks pretty good. There are some things that I wish like were a little bit different. Like I wish my face was more like bronzy, because usually I will like cream bronze and all that good stuff. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. I think it's missing a nice little gloss. But working with what we have, I think this is a pretty nice look. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me but I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below for your convenience. And yeah, if you like makeup, if you like me, if you want to support me, please subscribe, because I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers, and there will definitely be different types of videos coming soon. Like I want to do more vlogging. I'm gonna have a few things coming up, like the Roots picnic. I'll be going to like New Jersey to visit my sister. There's just some things coming up that I want to vlog for you guys, so definitely subscribe if you want to see more vlogs, or if you like makeup videos, then just subscribe, because that's kind of like what I do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.